I'm here with some ground beef and my Dash Mini Waffle Maker. And the question is, can we cook a hamburger in the Dash Mini Waffle Maker?
Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem.
So I've tried cooking hamburgers in several of the mini appliances, and it's definitely doable in the Dash Mini Griddle. You can cook a hamburger in the Dash Egg Bite Maker. You could cook a hamburger in the Nostalgia My Mini Skillet. So today I thought we would try to cook a hamburger in the Dash Waffle Maker. I'm pretty sure we'll be able to cook it. The question is, how is it going to come out? I'm hoping that it will come out a little bit crispy because of all the indentations in the waffle maker, but we shall see how it comes out. So the waffle maker has been heating up, and then here's my hamburger patty. This is a 1/4 pound of beef. This is 93% lean, grass-fed ground beef. Fits perfectly. And I'm going to be back in like 4 minutes. Right away from looking at this, we could tell that it's not going to cook evenly because this side where the hinge is more compressed than this side where it's more open. So this side in the back is going to cook more than this side in the front. And if I look at this from the side, I could see that like on this part of the hamburger, the top is not even touching the meat. Like this is just in the air. So I'm wondering if I need to press it down. I'm actually thinking it might be good to like flip it around. Let's open this up. It's only been 2 minutes. Okay, so in 2 minutes, you see how it's actually browning over here? And then over here, like it's not, and there's still like a lot of raw happening here. So let's flip this. Let's turn it around. And I'm gonna cook it for like another 2 minutes. It's been another 2 minutes. This is looking like it's done, but let's just take the temperature to see what's going on. I like my hamburgers medium well. We're just a little bit underneath that. So let's just cook this for like another minute. It's been another minute, so I'm gonna say this is done. Maybe I should have like rotated it one more time, but that's fine. Here it is. The biggest thing that I hate about cooking hamburgers is how dirty it leaves the appliances. Like they're always just a mess to clean. The hamburger has been resting for about 3 minutes, so I'm gonna cut into it and let's see what's going on inside. I can't zoom in any farther. So this definitely looks better than the hamburger that was made in the Dash Egg Bite Maker. This is probably like medium well done, but that's fine. I'm fine with that. Now let's taste it. It's definitely better than the hamburger cooked in the Dash Egg Bite Maker. Even though there is a little bit of browning going on here, I'm not really getting much crunchiness from that. It's definitely cooked. It's definitely edible. I think the key to cooking a hamburger in the Dash Waffle Maker is to make sure that you're turning it around about halfway through cooking. So like 2 minutes in one direction and then flip it around and then do 2 minutes in the other direction, and I think that would be good. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see what else we can make in this mini appliance. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.